What's up, geniuses? Another freaking day eating raw chicken in the snow. Perfect combination, really. Raw chicken with some snow. Classic. One of the top 3 all-time best winter foods. Keeps your mind, heart and spirit warm. It's been pretty fun to see some NPCs to get introduced to the natural ways of the life. Always a fun time. 3 biggest questions. Salmon Nutella, obviously. Are you still alive? And are you mentally ill? Those are the big 3 ones. One guy even was, what is wrong with you? What is your mental illness? And then he probably watched 1 or 2 videos and he was like, yeah, fuck yeah, we need to destroy the Matrix. Enlightenment fools. That was a fast turnaround. But people get very reactive when they see this thing. That's why it's so fun to do. When people don't know something, when their brainwashing is deep, people get triggered. Those emotions, they get riled up inside of you when your mind can't comprehend what the fuck is going on. That's why raw chicken. That's why we do it here. Based science. Genius. Now, open-minded people obviously are just curious. The more open your mind, more curious you are. Like, you might not agree what I'm doing. You might think it's incredibly retarded. But you don't have this emotional outburst like the normies do. The more closed-minded your mind is, the bigger the trigger warning. Now we all can still get triggered if some more close to us people, like for example our family, they don't understand what we're doing, then it's much more easier to get triggered. Because there's that connection, those emotions involved. But if some guy on the internet can make you triggered like that, man, you weak. You still got a lot of base knowledge to learn. Let's go walk a little bit here. It's pretty cool here. Here's snow. And then when we go here, it's still a bit green. We go in the bush with the fallen trees. But guess who's never gonna fall eating raw chicken? That's right, me. That's gonna be your ass eating that. Matrix garbage, slew. Those freaking grains and shit. That's gonna be your ass. And maybe my ass too. Who knows, almost 150 days. 150 days in a row, every single day, Sometimes even double the trouble. Where the fuck you at, Salmon Nutella? What the hell is wrong with you? One negative thing I've noticed, now that it has turned into winter, is that my skin has been way more dry. Especially on my face. So Dragiken, why don't you moisturize my skin? It's nice and quiet here. Just ready for those downloads. And it is pretty cold. But it is good to have the normies on the best science. Maybe you can learn something if you keep watching after one video. You can learn thing or do maybe. And check out the best knowledge. Because that's where the real knowledge bombs are. One guy was saying, get some bull testicles, I freaking would. But they're hard to find because there's no real food anymore around. We got these laws and regulations fucking up all everything, basically. See ya. Is this human food? Tastes like your mama's poo.